Karate, a martial art renowned for its power and grace, encompasses a multifaceted practice known as kata. Kata, meaning form or pattern, represents the very soul of karate. It embodies a series of choreographed movements, blocks, strikes, and stances. These are meticulously sequenced to simulate combat against imaginary opponents. Kata serves as a repository of ancient wisdom, passed down through generations of practitioners. Each movement, each stance, carries within it the legacy of masters. Within the intricate patterns of kata lie valuable lessons in strategy, timing, and precision. By immersing oneself in the practice of kata, a student embarks on a path of continuous learning and refinement. Kata acts as a mirror, reflecting the practitioner's strengths and weaknesses. With each repetition, the karateka gains a deeper understanding of their body mechanics. The pursuit of perfection in kata is an ongoing process. Through this dedicated practice, the karateka not only develops physical prowess but also cultivates mental fortitude and an indomitable spirit. Kata practice transcends the realm of physical exercise, forging a profound connection between mind and body. The intricate movements of kata demand focused attention, engaging both the physical and mental faculties. As the karateka flows through the sequence, their mind becomes attuned to the subtle nuances of each technique. This heightened awareness extends beyond the dojo, enhancing the practitioner's ability to navigate the challenges of daily life with greater clarity and purpose. The rhythmic breathing patterns integral to kata practice further enhance this mind-body connection. Deep, controlled breaths oxygenate the muscles, promoting physical endurance. At the same time, they induce a state of mental calmness and focus. This harmonious interplay between breath, movement, and intention fosters a sense of inner peace and tranquility. The dynamic movements of kata improve flexibility, coordination, and balance. They enhance cardiovascular health and muscular strength. The practice of striking and blocking techniques develops power, speed, and reaction time. Through the repetitive execution of techniques, the karateka develops muscle memory and instinctive reflexes. This ingrained knowledge becomes an invaluable asset in real-life situations. Kata empowers individuals with the physical and mental tools to face challenges with confidence and composure. Masters of karate throughout history have emphasized the profound significance of kata practice. Master Gichin Funakoshi, the father of modern karate, eloquently stated, "The ultimate aim of karate lies not in victory or defeat, but in the perfection of the character of its participants." Kata, for Funakoshi, was not merely a means to develop fighting skills but a path to self-cultivation and moral development. Master Masatoshi Nakayama highlighted the importance of understanding the practical applications of kata. He believed that kata is not a dance or a show. It is a fight against multiple attackers, and every movement has a meaning. Master Hirokazu Kanazawa emphasized the role of repetition in mastering kata. He stated, "Practice kata diligently, for within its movements lie hidden treasures." It is through countless repetitions that the karateka begins to internalize the movements, refine their technique, and unlock the hidden potential within. These insights from karate masters underscore the multifaceted nature of kata practice. Kata is not merely a set of physical exercises, but a profound journey of self-discovery, technical mastery, and spiritual growth. The journey through kata is one of continuous evolution. Beginners typically start with simpler kata, such as Heian Shodan, which introduce fundamental stances, blocks, and strikes. These foundational kata lay the groundwork for more complex forms, gradually increasing in difficulty and intricacy. As the karateka gains proficiency, they move on to more advanced kata, such as Basai Dai and Kanku Dai. These higher-level kata incorporate more intricate footwork, combinations of techniques, and a greater emphasis on speed, power, and fluidity of motion. The progression through kata is not merely about memorizing movements but about deepening one's understanding of the underlying principles of karate. Kata also plays a significant role in competition. In individual kata, competitors are judged on their technical proficiency, power, speed, rhythm, and overall performance. Team kata involves 3 karateka performing a synchronized kata, demonstrating precision, timing, and unity. While competition can be a valuable tool for testing one's skills, the true essence of kata lies beyond trophies and accolades. The pursuit of excellence in kata is an ongoing journey of self-improvement. Kata practice is deeply intertwined with the traditions and values of karate. The formal etiquette observed in the dojo, the respectful bowing before and after practice, and the emphasis on discipline and humility all stem from the practice of kata. These traditions foster a sense of respect for the art, for one's instructors, and for fellow practitioners. The shared experience of practicing kata together creates a strong sense of community among karateka. The challenges, the triumphs, the sweat, and the dedication all contribute to a bond that transcends age, gender, or skill level. In the dojo, everyone is equal, united by their passion for karate and their commitment to the pursuit of excellence. The transmission of kata from teacher to student is a sacred act, a lineage that stretches back centuries. Through the practice of kata, the wisdom and experience of past masters are kept alive, passed down from one generation to the next. This unbroken chain of knowledge connects karateka to the rich history and traditions of their art. Karateka often form lifelong friendships, supporting each other both on and off the training floor. The values of respect, discipline, and perseverance instilled through kata practice shape individuals into responsible and compassionate members of society. One of the most remarkable aspects of kata is its inclusivity. Regardless of age, gender, physical ability, or experience level, anyone can practice kata and reap its numerous benefits. Unlike sparring or kumite, which involves physical contact, kata is a solo practice that can be adapted to suit individual needs and limitations. Children as young as 5 or 6 can begin their karate journey with simple kata, developing coordination, balance, and focus. Older adults can benefit from the low-impact exercise and mental stimulation that kata provides, improving their strength, flexibility, and cognitive function. Individuals with physical limitations can modify kata movements to accommodate their abilities, still experiencing the joy and challenge of karate. The adaptability of kata makes it accessible to people from all walks of life. Whether practiced in a traditional dojo, a gym, a park, or even at home, the essence of kata remains the same. It is a journey of self-discovery, a pursuit of excellence, and a celebration of the human spirit. The inclusive nature of kata fosters diversity within the karate community. Kata's adaptability extends beyond individual needs to encompass various environments and situations. While traditionally practiced in a formal dojo setting, kata can be performed virtually anywhere with sufficient space. This versatility allows karateka to maintain their training regimen regardless of location or circumstance. Parks, beaches, backyards, and even living rooms can be transformed into makeshift dojos, providing a serene and inspiring backdrop for kata practice. The natural elements can enhance the sensory experience of kata, deepening the connection between the karateka and their surroundings. Athletes from other disciplines can benefit from incorporating kata into their training to improve balance, coordination, focus, and body awareness. The principles of kata have applications that extend far beyond the realm of traditional karate. This versatility ensures that kata remains a relevant and accessible practice in the modern world. While the aesthetic beauty and physical prowess displayed in kata are undeniable, it is essential to remember that kata is, at its core, a fighting art. Bunkai, the study and application of kata techniques, unveils the true combat potential hidden within these seemingly choreographed movements. Each block, strike, and stance in kata has a practical purpose, designed to neutralize an opponent's attack or create an opening for a counterattack. Through Bunkai, karateka deconstruct the movements of kata, exploring the various ways in which techniques can be applied in a real-life self-defense situation. Bunkai training often involves 2 or more partners, allowing karateka to experience the dynamics of combat and test the effectiveness of their techniques against a resisting opponent. Understanding Bunkai is crucial for appreciating the depth and complexity of kata. It transforms kata from a series of memorized movements into a living, breathing system of self-defense. The practice of kata extends far beyond the physical and mental benefits, offering profound life lessons that resonate deeply within the karateka. The discipline, perseverance, and resilience cultivated through kata practice become invaluable tools for navigating the challenges of daily life. The pursuit of perfection in kata teaches the importance of setting high standards for oneself and striving for excellence in all endeavors. The repetitive nature of kata practice instills patience, dedication, and the understanding that true mastery is a journey, not a destination. The challenges encountered in kata practice build mental fortitude and the ability to overcome adversity. The self-awareness cultivated through kata practice allows individuals to recognize their strengths and weaknesses, fostering humility and a commitment to continuous improvement. The respect for oneself and others, the value of discipline and hard work, and the importance of community and tradition are all principles that contribute to a more harmonious and fulfilling life. The wisdom gleaned from the practice of kata transcends the dojo walls, empowering individuals to face life's challenges with courage, grace, and an unwavering spirit.